Oh, we're back in the 4x4s after the camel ride. Let's go on to another place to see some irrigation system that isn't used. It's all dried up, so we can actually walk inside of it there. So it should be pretty neat. But yeah, it was a good camel ride there. Everybody did very, very well. Nobody fell off. Okay, now we're back on the highway for a little bit. And so we got to go to our next stop here. So we're rolling right along in the morning. December 22nd. It's about 10 minutes after 11 in the morning here. Okay. We got some camels crossing us here. There you go. Guys are all on tire there. Okay, look at this. We got good construction going on all over the place here. Tons of new things going on. Alright, a couple birdies there too. More camels over here. They're all having a little meal there, something to eat, a little morning breakfast or lunch. Maybe, I don't know how often they feed them. Once a day or morning and night. I don't know, looks like we have arrived here.
Yeah, the one lazy one is Hassan. But this Hassan is not lazy. And by the way, look at this Hassan there. So this part of the hair, I had it also when I was little, and you still can't see it, right? And it was like Khatara. So whenever you hear Khatara, the word Khatara means underground irrigation system. So the point or the aim of the system is to get water from wherever the source is to the oasis where it's needed, because they need it to irrigate them. So in the beginning there was a spring there, so that's why everything is green. But Moroccan government, as I said the other day, is encouraging everyone who is investing in agriculture.
Way up there.
In agriculture, if you own a piece of land, then you dig a well. Then
so we're down in the oasis here, and lots of water irrigation here. You can block up a section here, and beautiful in the oasis here. Look at this, all little offshoots to the left and right to get your water here, right there, and you can go either side there. It goes all the way down to the other section. Very nice here in the oasis.
Can you get closer, please?
Yeah.
You can also get to this side.